Grüezi and welcome back to Keto Mountain from beautiful Switzerland. My name is Karima. Today I will share with you my husband's Keto-Limonade-Rezept. It's easy to do and it's so yum. He does it for the whole family and my girls love it. So let me show you the ingredients. Peppermint, and then we have 1 lemon, 1 lime, and we have ice scoop, about 2 cups, and stevia, and of course the water. The first thing we have to do is we take our mince and we smack it. Of course we wash it, right? And we smack it. When you do that, you get the real flavor of it. Your intense will be intense, yeah? So I have my jar here. It's about 1.5 liter, and I will stick this inside. The next step is we need our water, but not the whole bottle, just halfway. Now we get our stevia. You put so much you like. For us, 4 small circles, and that's enough. The next step is your spoon. We're gonna have to stir vigorously until you get the aroma from the mint. That step is very important. Now, the lemon and the lime. What we will do is, we take the lemon, we get the ends. Of course we washed it, right? You take 1 piece like that, and then you press it inside. Just like that. And you throw it inside. So the next one is our lime. The same thing. We will do the same thing. Press in. Et voila. Now you're gonna put the ice scoop as well, so much you feel like it. I will stir it again. And add more water. Et voila! The best keto lemonade ever. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe please for the next video.